Mr. Sharma sir from IVRI Bareilly, Department of Fisheries, PBK, Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Sir, faculty from Sanskrit University. Jitendra sir, please. Rajesh sir. So a formal beginning always requires a voice that represents vision, science and leadership, and it's now my proud privilege to invite Dr. Sharma, Managing Director and Scientist, Center for Research and Innovative Studies, Chris DNA Labs, formerly known as DNA Labs for Applied Sciences, and now it's Phpc-Cris DNA, Mathura, to deliver the welcome address and briefing of the organization. Sir, please.
राधे राधे का शुक्रिया जो आए यहाँ संडे को, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट संडे होता है, क्यों बच्चों? तो थैंक यू सो मच पार्टिसिपेंट फॉर ज्वाइनिंग बिकॉज दिस इज इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी as well as I'm very feeling excited and very happy because I started my journey from here only, Duwasu, Mathura, Veterinary University, because with us very important faculty member from the same institute, because I know Dr. Professor P. Pandey sir, because we met earlier in the month only, that we are I was telling that we are about to start such venture, and sir said that I will be there. So thank you so much sir for coming and gracing the occasion, and without the blessings of the seniors as well as especially the teachers who taught us basically, no work is important, and this is very crucial and very important for not only me, ये जो हमारे मित्र है मिस्टर राजेश यादव जी, तो पहले तो इनको लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं, क्योंकि बच्चों पता क्या होता है कि डॉक्टर अंजना गोयल मैम प्रोफेसर and in GL University, right? So madam was research associate over there. Under her guidance also I learned so many things because I was the senior research fellow over here in the Veterinary University. So thank you so much ma'am for guiding me during that span of time, as well as during our odd hours also, where we established 2-3 laboratories. So thank you so much. And here we have Dr. Ankita Singh, because she is not only my partner but my life partner also. So thank you for making this event very viable, right? Because we were thinking that let's inaugurate the lab only, but it is also a one-day workshop, and so many beautiful students have joined here from the Sanskrit University as well as GL University, Mathura, and we have the faculty member from Sanskrit University, Mr. Jitendra sir. He is the paramedics and teaching staff over here, and Sharma, technical scientist in sir has vast experience in veterinary and epidemiology. Sharma worked in the Mukteshwar campus of this IVRI also in FMD, foot and mouth disease viruses. So from him only basically I started my career. So he was the first one who basically introduced me in the academics and scientific world. So thank you so much. Coming here from IVRI Bareilly, and he is the in charge also for so many the training program under Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So it is my dear participants, we always learn from the teacher. professor, scientists, the technicians, as well as other commuters also. Nearby areas we used to live from traveling also. It was only the traveling. Me and Mr. Rajesh Yadav, पिछले 6-7 सालों से हम यही सोच रहे थे कि किस तरह से मिले. एक तो दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी होती है, लेकिन अगर दोस्ती कुछ टेक्निकली स्किल्ड चीजों में बदल जाए वो और अच्छा है. थैंक यू सो मच, क्योंकि हमने जनवरी स्टार्टिंग में ही एमओयू किया था देहरादून में ही, और उसके बाद बेसिकली इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की. सो मिस्टर राजेश यादव, ही इज डूइंग वंडरफुल जॉब इन डायग्नोस्टिक्स, इन दिस एरिया, एंड द क्वालिटी डायग्नोस्टिक्स. मैं उनको देखता हूँ 11-11 बजे हम वीडियो कॉल करते तो रात में लैब में होते हैं. इनसे आपको और बहुत सारी चीजें हम कोलैबोरेशंस में अभी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. So, Mr. Dik, can you have this PPT? Just, in 5 minutes, what we are basically, what we will be doing for you students, right? And, in nearby future, what we will be, planning for this area, right? So, सबसे पहले तो हम जन्मभूमि को प्रणाम करते हैं, क्योंकि ये मेरी फेवरेट जगह भी है, क्योंकि 1.5-2 साल हमने यहाँ काम किया है, तो मुझे यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So, पुष्पा हाईटेक पैथोलॉजी लैब and Center for Research and Innovative Scientific Studies. So today we will be, serving the Uttar Pradesh students. We will be serving the science as well as the society. Next. So, my dear students, initially because we will be expanding the labs here also, where microbiology, molecular biology, some sort of cell cultures, pathology, serology, and some national skill development, the program which will be free from the students of Mathura as well as nearby areas of the Uttar Pradesh. It will be available soon over here, right? And we will be establishing the teaching, training, research and capacity building centers here in association with the different firms as well as with the government agencies too. So this is what happened in January itself. It is a sort of MOU. MOU is just a piece of paper, right? It is basically the understanding and the work we used to do. So we have more than 40, the MOUs in various universities all across India. But the most important is what actually we are doing. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि पहले दिन हम वर्कशॉप करा रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए. हमने मशीनें लाई है, ऊपर आप देखोगे अभी लैब में, तो अभी हमारा PCR, हमारा जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस, एलाइजा, कुछ और जो एनेबल एक्रेडिटेशंस और गाइडलाइंस है, डॉक्टर अंकिता एंड माय टीम, दे हैव कम ऑल ओवर फ्रॉम देहरादून, राइट? सो वी विल बी डूइंग ऑल दिस वन. तो ये हम करते रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट. So in the nearby future, because Mr. Rajesh Yadav had designed this building not only for the state purpose, but for the futuristic, the accredited laboratory, skill development center also. You can see, lift भी छोड़ी है, proper एक area है, sterilization की area भी छोड़ा है. So we will be developing this center as a skill development hub in the nearby future. So this enable accreditation, because the laboratory which is there in Dehradun, this is national accreditation for board of testing and calibration. तो बच्चों ये बड़ा important डिस्कस करूँगा आपसे कि ये important क्यों है फूड इंडस्ट्री में, वेटनरी साइंस में, plus आपके diagnosis is required, and what role you will be playing for this one. That is going to be a very crucial, because we will be launching the certificate programs for QMS, Quality Management System, and enable accreditation, especially in medical testings and retroviruses from this day also. In February and March, we will be planning so many things. And our organization is basically enable accredited from the last 5 years, ICMR approved, MSME, CMO, DG, ये तो होता ही है, right? And from the last 5 to 6 years, we have worked with the government agencies where we got some sort of the projects as well as some sort of science population program as a funded programs also, and definitely with the Jain University, Sanskrit University, Government of Uttar Pradesh, as well as under the flagship of Dubasu also, we can do so many things for the future also. ये बच्चों हमारी कुछ है, जैसे उत्तराखंड में BSL-3 हमने डिज़ाइन किया था. इट वॉज द फर्स्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज. आई वॉज एन एज अ साइंटिस्ट ओवर देयर वेयर वी डेवलप BSL-3 इन्फ्लुएंजा टेस्टिंग, एंड आई वॉज द नोडल द ऑफिसर फॉर दिस स्वाइन फ्लू टेस्टिंग इन मेडिकल कॉलेज. एंड दीज आर द ग्लिम्पसेस. कार्य करते रहना. Yeah, so this lab we started in 2018. I was in medical college, then we started our own organization. So our own enterprise, you'll be learning these things also. How to establish the firm, how to do its affiliation, and how to go for the startups. Right? Next. ये दूसरा हमने establish किया. ये कुछ गवर्नमेंट फंडेड प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो बच्चों हम करते रहते हैं, राइट, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, साइंस ऑन व्हील्स. दिस वाज द फंडेड प्रोग्राम. जिन बच्चों को लैब्स नहीं मिलते रिमोट एरिया में और गांव में, हम वहां जाके प्रैक्टिकल्स कराते हैं. सो यू लाइक there will be so many participants where you will be creating some sort of the ideas that you can also start such ventures. Science on wheels, lab on wheels, path labs on wheels, and Mathura, Vrindavan is a the tourist place. So I have started one भी दिखाऊंगा आपको. That is science tourism. How we can connect the science with the tourism also, right? And it is a good area, globally recognized for so many things, right? तो ये हम करते थे, जहाँ हमने ये कम से कम 1012 बच्चों को फ्री ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम दिया विद द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ उत्तराखंड. सो यहाँ भी हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम साइंस ऑन व्हील्स प्रोग्राम चलाएं नेक्स्ट, और NSDC में करेंगे. सो इसको फटाफट आगे करते रहो. ये कुछ वर्कशॉप आराम से, ये इवेंट्स है जो हम करते रहते हैं डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज, कॉलेजेस, ट्रेनिंग्स, CMEs, कंटिन्यूइंग मेडिकल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम्स. नेक्स्ट संस्कृत यूनिवर्सिटी में बहुत पहले कराया है programs. These are just a few glimpses. I will be taking clients all across India. Next करते जाइएगा. Sell some tie-ups with the companies for the placements, recruitments, right? And these are the things we have already done. And here in Mathura also, like in a year, we will be designing some of the events so that it can benefit the students over here, right? We have all these MOUs with different universities, colleges, all across India. We have a collaboration with IIT Kharagpur and IIT Hyderabad also for this e-entrepreneurship cells. So we will be connecting the same thing here too. Next. So for social activity, for science, it is also our duty. So we have run so many programs for patient care, for rural areas, for farmers, right? So these are just a few glimpses of all these events. In Uttar Pradesh, we have conducted so many science and youth programs. These are just few glimpses of the events. Thank you. So likewise also, what we will be planning is, here also we will be starting all these ventures. So because again Professor Honorable he is not here, so and Dr. A.K. Bhatia sir, because he was our PI, project investigator at that time, and the very important person who taught us, and during my the lab also, he guided me so much for everything, for laboratory setups, for taking the classes, for online session and all. And Dr. Himanshu Aryan sir, he is the Vice Chancellor of Subhati Medical University, and we used to do so many collaborative things with him. Then Professor Dr. A.K. Deshmukh sir, I think he is there on the platform. So he is the President of Microbiologist Society of India, and because I am looking after the state coordinator and the state president for Uttarakhand chapter also. Sir, I think he will be connecting. So he is the president of Microbiology Society of India, and under the flagship and under the aegis of A.K. Deshmukh sir, we have organized so many events for the students, right? And at the end, it is not end, basically it is the beginning, and we will be starting this workshop after the high tea. And Professor Dhingra is also here, right? So he was also my mentor, my guide also, under whom basically he has basically guided me so much. So before going further, we have a short, the lab movie, because it is not only this PHPC center where you will be trained also in the future, but also with the Dehradun lab also. So you will be getting the facilities for there also. So PSL2 laboratory movie you can run. Just a short glimpse of the lab of Dehradun unit.
Look at the job market for graduates
Graduates in India today.
It's full of
choices,
but there's a
problem.
A missing
link,
a skill
gaps
that makes
it
hard
hard for ambitious young people to find good jobs.
Big
Big players in important fields like medicines, vaccine making,
and
veterinary science,
and
and major government institutes and laboratories like CSIR,
Northern India lies Uttarakhand, often referred to as Devbhoomi or the land of the gods. This enchanting region is a tapestry woven with the threads of breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and a deep historical legacy. Nestled amidst this picturesque setting is a revered site dedicated to Mahasudevta, a deity believed to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Here, every path taken is a step deeper into a world where nature and spirituality coexist, inviting you to discover the rich tapestry of Indian culture that thrives in this sacred land. Uttarakhand offers an unforgettable journey into the heart of devotion and beauty. Welcome to the fascinating nestled in the scenic city of Dehradun. DNA Lab stands as a beacon of research and innovation. This ISO certified, NABL accredited and ICMR approved facility is the only state-of-the-art laboratory in Uttarakhand, dedicated to advancing the frontiers of life sciences. Founded in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, DNA Labs recognize the pressing need for knowledge and skill in Himachal Pradesh. Thousands of patients and health seekers have benefited from these initiatives, receiving essential medical care and support in areas that often lack access to healthcare services. In a groundbreaking collaboration with UCL, the government of Uttarakhand, DNA Labs sample is handled with the utmost care and precision. At DNA Labs, the atmosphere is a blend of cutting-edge science and stringent safety protocols. Equipped with a state-of-the-art BSL-2 facility, the lab adheres to a meticulously designed unidirectional workflow. This layout is essential for maintaining the integrity of molecular diagnostics while aligning with the WHO biosafety guidelines. Every step of the process is guided by rigorous standards, as DNA Labs operates in compliance with UCI and NABL guidelines. The team climbed in ISO 52189.22, ensuring that each sample is handled with the utmost care and precision. In this environment, every technician and researcher plays a vital role in upholding the highest standards of safety and quality, ultimately contributing to advancements in molecular diagnostics. In today's era, we embrace automation to enhance both efficiency and accuracy in our testing processes. At DNA Labs, our automated systems not only save time but also improve the integrity of our results by reducing the potential for human error. We offer comprehensive training for advanced automated instruments for DNA extraction and other laboratory.
And this was just a movie because we are also running short of the time because we have to conduct this workshop also and upgraded BSL2 movie as well. With this, I am very grateful to Professor Pandey sir and Professor Anjana Goel ma'am. And now over to Dr. Ankita for further proceedings. Thank you, sir.
you so much, sir. We have great academician, scientist. So would honored to hear from you, sir, Dr. Pandey, sir. We would like to invite you on this podium to address us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Dignitaries who have been invited, Madam Goyal, Dr. Neha, the pathologist among us, and dignitaries who have joined us online and have gathered here online, and the students. Journey of diagnostics began in late 19th century. At that time, the diagnostic tests used to be, if you read the history, they used to be very raw and native kind of things. And since 95 probably, the invention of X-rays, now we are in 2026, we are talking about functional MRIs, we are talking about the rendering of 3D images, talking about less than a millimeter slice of the body part. And similarly, the laboratory diagnosis has also traveled in leaps and bounds and reached to a stage earlier for detection of diabetes. Benedict solution, copper sulfate solution, and it's some reaction with urine and some color change. And now we are in the era of molecular diagnosis. कि जल्दी ही हम लोगों ने सभी ने कोविड का काल देखा है और उस समय पे हमने ये देखा है कि मॉलिक्यूलर डायग्नोसिस, ये जो न्यूअर टूल्स हैं, PCR, RT-PCR, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, इन्होंने पूरी मानवता की कितनी सहायता की है। ये क्रिस लेबोरेटरीज और पुष्पा हाईटेक पैथोलॉजी के एसोसिएशन में जो मथुरा में ये एस्टैब्लिश हो रहा है, पहली बात मैं इस चीज के लिए आपने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया, इसके लिए मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं। और दूसरी बात ये कि टेक्नोलॉजीज में जो कुछ एलीट टेक सेंटर्स पे अवेलेबल होती थी, मथुरा में इंट्रोड्यूस होंगी और आपका वो इनिशिएटिव जो लैब ऑन व्हील्स वाला है, तो स्किल लर्निंग में ये एक बहुत बढ़िया चीज साबित होगा। मथुरा के बारे में आपने बताया, बहुत बड़ी संख्या में यात्री आते हैं यहाँ पे, टूरिस्ट, एंड नाउ इट हैज बिकम काइंड ऑफ पिकनिक पिलग्रिमेज। एवरी सैटरडे एंड संडे वी आर, हम लोगों को मतलब मुश्किल हो जाता है चलना, इतनी बड़ी तादाद में लोग आते हैं। और इतनी बड़ी तादाद में जब पॉपुलेशन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करती है, तो अगर कोई कम्युनिकेबल कंडीशन एक लेके आता है तो फिर वो पंजीरी सबको बटती है, और वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें भारी मदद हम लोगों को कर सकती हैं। आप सभी लोगों को बधाई, मुख्य रूप से क्रिस एंड PHPC जिन्होंने मथुरा में इस वेंचर को एस्टैब्लिश करने का इनिशिएटिव लिया है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
सर ने कम शब्दों में बहुत कुछ कह दिया है और आप सब समझ गए होंगे। सर किस तरह की इनोवेशंस, किस तरह की साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट की सर ने बात की और क्यों ये सब ज़रूरी है वक्त के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच सर। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट डॉक्टर अंजना मैम टू प्लीज एड्रेस ऑल आवर यंग माइंड्स।
Thank you very much, Dr. Ankita, for inviting me at this inaugural function of this DNA lab and the high-tech pathology, Pushpa high-tech pathology inauguration. So basically, this is the first time when this research center, which has been established in collaboration with a pathology lab, because in Mathura itself, there are many degree colleges where the full-fledged laboratories are not available, and the students, they are devoid of these type of, you can say, experience which they have to be there, because life science is basically not a theoretical subject, but it is a practical oriented subject. So whenever we are doing BSc, MSc in any life science subjects, there must be a need of practical oriented labs, and if they are not present into the colleges and into the universities, then whatever they learn by theoretical processes, that will actually not the full degree course. So it is compulsory that they must have the hands-on training on to these practical subjects. So we, in the first time, most of the students from Mathura, whenever they are doing their dissertation, either 2 months, 1 month or 6 months, they are moving outside Mathura for Agra, or they are reaching to the NCR regions for these type of practical experiences. So now if we have this facility in our Mathura, so it's a great privilege for the students of Mathura district, so that they can join this program of their research and hands-on training program with this collaboration. Thank you very much. I will appreciate the efforts of Dr. Narottam and Dr. Rajesh for doing these efforts in Mathura region. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words, and we will definitely try to work good in this field. And Dr. A.K. Deshmukh, Arvind Madharao sir also has joined the online platform. Sir is President, Microbiology Society of India, and ex-professor, Head Department of Microbiology, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Sub-Center, Osmanabad. And he has his teaching experience of more than 37 years. Sir, if you can hear me, please you can unmute your mic. We can see you, and we would like your few words for all our young minds and all of our academicians. Sir, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Very much.
Today
I am very delighted
to know
to
that
know that
Cris
unit of DNA lab
is working
for the student, training the students.
Actually,
Originally it is from Dehradun,
and
and they are working in Dehradun, but
they have
they are also now entered in Mathura
and
arranged a training
in
biotechnology.
I know
Dr. Narottam Sharma,
who is a
director of this DNA labs.
He is
working
for the
for the society,
working
for the young mind.
You know
that biotechnology is a very, very important subject, not only in India,
at a
at a global level.
Even
our Prime Minister
has passed a bill, Bio E3. 3E means employment, economy and environment. And today what Dr. Narottam Sharma is doing is training the students, young generation, and helping to the Bio E3. That is the objective of the Bio E3. And these trained hands of the young generation will definitely help for the development of India. Which development? Sustainable development. Because whole world is not after development, it is after sustainable development. And biotechnology is the only tool. So at the end of workshop, all students or participants, I am always calling all participants as a student. The reason is that I also consider I am still a student of microbiology and biotechnology. Everyone is a student. So they will be trained, and after getting trained, they will work as an ambassador. Ambassador meaning is that whatsoever the knowledge they got here, they will transfer to their friends, to their students, and will help in the upliftment of the society. As a president of Microbiologist Society, it is my duty to wish you all the best for not only this workshop, for the future of you in biotechnology. Thank you, Dr. Narottam, for calling me on this occasion and giving an opportunity to interact with the young minds of India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And we always love to hear from you because at this stage of age, you have full energy and enthusiasm. So thank you so much. We learned a lot from you, and we'll always be having your blessings throughout all the sessions and throughout this day also. Thank you, sir, for being connected with us. And now we'll proceed ahead to the end of this inaugural session, because we have, along with this inaugural session, we have also one-day workshop also for this particular event. Many of our students from Sanskriti University and GLA and the WASU, they have joined us also. The workshop on molecular biology, proteomics and NABL, learning practices for labs and biosciences in business. So after this inaugural session, with the high tea, we will proceed with the technical sessions for you all people who have come all the way from your universities on this Sunday to attend the session. So because whenever we do anything, we need official recognitions also and authorizations also, so that this center can be authorized and can be officially known as Phpc-Cris DNA Labs. So I would like to invite Dr. Sharma sir and Rajesh sir. Sharma sir will be presenting the certificate of authorization from DNA Labs Cris to PHPC Mathura, so that we can officially take over this journey. Thank you so much, sir. So now it's officially Phpc-Cris DNA Labs. And with this, I would like to Dr. Sharma to sponsor for the release of our brochures, training brochures for all the students. I would like the dignitaries to be on the platform because we are also presenting the Microbiologist Society India's academic calendar. Scientific calendar, so lots of things are there. Yes, sir. So, we are going to have this formal inauguration is going to be on this ending note, but it's not the last, it's a beginning, yes. And we have Mr. Ritik Dogra also, because he was sitting throughout the session behind the laptop. He is a section in charge, microbiology and molecular biologist, as well as he's also Deputy Quality Control Manager for NABL. So, because the people who are behind the stage, they're also very important. So, a huge round of applause, because he's live streaming on YouTube also. हमारा सारा session live stream भी है YouTube पे. So, now I would invite Mr. Darshan Ambika. Sir is basically from Karnataka, and all the way from Karnataka. He has been associated with us since last 2 years, and he is virologist and senior research intern for DNA Labs Chris, and now for Phpc-Cris DNA Labs also, for the formal vote of thanks.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. It's a profound honor for me to propose the vote of thanks on this historic occasion, the inauguration of Chris, Center for Research and Innovative Scientific Studies, DNA Labs here at PHPC Mathura. First and the foremost, we express our deepest gratitude to our chief guest and guest of honor. Thank Professor Dr. Sharad Kumar Yadav, Vice Chancellor of Aryabhatta Knowledge University, for gracing us with his presence online. Sincere thanks to Professor Durgesh Pant, who is the Director General of UCOS, for his unwavering support. We are grateful for the Professor Dr. Himanshu Areen, Vice Chancellor of Raj Bihari Bose Subharti University, for his presence and encouragement. I would also like to thank Dr. R.P. Pandey for his inspiring words. We owe a debt of gratitude to the academic luminaries who joined us today, that is Professor Dr. A.K. Bhatia sir, Professor A.K. Deshmukh, Professor Gulshan Kumar Dhingra, and Dr. Anjana Goyal ma'am. Your leadership in microbiology and biotechnology provides the roadmap for the research we aim to conduct within these walls. Special thanks to Dr. Narottam Sharma, Managing Director of Chris DNA Labs. Your vision of collaborative ecosystem where research meets diagnostic has today become a reality in the sacred land of Mathura. We also thank Dr. Mr. Rajesh Yadav and the entire team of PHPC for their direction to ethically elaborate practice and for expanding the horizons of diagnostics into the realm of innovation. And finally, I thank every individual who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this inaugural ceremony a success. Today, we don't just open a facility. We ignite a vision where research is accessible, diagnostics are advanced, and education is experiential. Thank you for all being part of this remarkable beginning. Jai Hind, Jai Vigyan.
Thank you, Darshan. And I would like to request sir to escort our chief guest, Nitri, for the high tea. And बच्चों आपके लिए भी टी है. उसके बाद हम अपने टेक्निकल सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. There is lunch for you also. तो हम आपको भूखा भी नहीं रखेंगे. So enjoy your tea, and then we will proceed with the technical hands-on session of the workshop. Mr. Ritik Dogra and Darshan sir will be guiding you throughout the day. I will be also there. Thank you. Technology, CEO of Pushpa High-Tech Laboratory, and I'm now we have and we can say that now
तो पीछे चाय रखा हुआ है, तो आप एक के पीछे चले जाइए एंड चाय लेके अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाइए, ठीक है? क्या हुआ चलिए चलिए
and we are collaborating for too much right.
And I'm Dr. Sharma, Managing Director of Phpc-Cris, Center for Research and Innovative Scientific Studies, DNA Labs. It's based in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. But a very important news is that we have already signed MOU with Pushpa High-Tech Laboratory in Mathura. So this year from 2026 January onwards, we will be providing the training programs in Mathura also. So there are the requirement of the skillings, especially in health sectors, medical sciences, biotechnology, in
CRISPR-Cas technology, cell cultures and all. And we have already MOU with this Pushpa High-Tech Centers, which will be the skill development program center here in Damodarpura, opposite to Veterinary University in Mathura. So students, especially from Agra, Aligarh,